What's up guys, I just realised when I was editing this video that I haven't told you about the new XJ I've bought. I wanted something more powerful than the 2.5 TD, so I've bought the 4 litre XJ and I'm going to be building a bit of an overland vehicle to take the family away in. Hey, what's up guys? I've been thinking about putting door cards on my XJ for a while now, door pockets I should say, because there's not a lot of storage in them, just a glove box, a centre console. Nothing in the doors. Found these from Just Campers in the UK. I've measured them up, I think they're going to work well, so let's take a look. First thing I did was remove the dark grey door cards from the diesel XJ, as I'll be putting these in the petrol XJ. I prefer the look of the dark interior. I cleaned the door card with a rubbing alcohol initially, just to make sure that any adhesive I use on the door pockets will stick to the door card. I've pre-drilled the door pockets and I'm just lining up to see how it sits. I also use super glue in this video to seal them to the door, but if I was to do this again I'd probably use a black polyurethane adhesive like Tiger Seal or something similar. Now that the door pocket is attached to the door card, I'm using a Sharpie marker just to colour in the screws black, just to take the eye away from them so it looks a bit neater on the interior. That's them finished guys, bit of a short video today, but I hope you like the door pockets and thank you for watching. See you again next time.